Abdullah dough kneader AE900A being checked for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 6th August 2024. Machine is okay from all the sides. It has a metal blade, a plastic blade which is already installed inside, a measuring flask, instruction manual. The machine is absolutely okay. There are no damages. We can show you from the bottom also. There you can see it is absolutely okay, and now we will start the machine. The machine has started. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. You have to place the machine on a straight surface. Then we pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, thermopore at the top, and then we apply the fragile stickers. These are the stickers, and we pack it in bubble wrap. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped and it is absolutely okay. And now we will pack it for Daraz as just informed you. Thank you.